Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of September 12th, 2021, Part 2, Theme Dancing. Everybody Can Dance, written by Navolio, illustrated by Ruth Mary Smith. The music starts. You feel the beat. You clap your hands and tap your feet. Everybody can dance. You can glide or slide, whether big or small. You can swish or sway, whether short or tall. Shuffle and stomp, or shimmy and shake. Waltz or hop, you have what it takes. Everybody twist and twirl. Some people learn to dance on wheels. Some people tap on toes and heels. Dancers can spin on hands and heads. Dancers can sway, heeling in beds. Everybody whiz and whirl. Prefer to dance with boys or girls? Prefer to leap or practice twirls? Boogie alone or jive in groups. Lead your partner round in loops. Everybody swoosh and swirl. You can dance at home or perform on stage. You can take a class at any age. So make some music, play a song. Create some moves and groove along. Everybody can dance. The end. Okay, so what we're going to do is called freeze dance painting. And what you'll get in your Craft to Go kit is just a big piece of paper. I'm not going to get this all on camera here. It's large easel paper. You can also use butcher block paper. You'll need some masking tape would be good to tape it to the ground, or if you're going to do this outside, which is not a bad idea, some bricks or some rocks. You'll need some little plates. This is a plastic plate. You can use paper plates, pie pans, whatever, different colors of paint. You'll just squish it right in there. And then you'll need some music. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the paper down. We're going to put the paint in here, and the child is going to step in it. And once they step in it, they're going to stand on the paper. You play the music, and they dance all around, and then you turn the music off and they freeze. And then you turn it back on and they dance all around, and they get more paint, dance all around, and then freeze. So it's called freeze dance painting. It's good for gross motor, and it's also good for learning to follow directions with the freezing.